Tony Robert Fleury was born September 1, 1837, died December 8, 1911, was a French painter, known primarily for historical scenes. He was also a prominent art teacher, with many famous artists among his students. In 1870, he painted a canvas of Last Day of Corinth, which depicted the last day before the Roman legions looted and burned the ancient Greek city. According to Livy, this painting was also purchased by the Musée du Luxembourg, and is now on display at the Musée d'Orsay. In 1880, he painted a ceiling for the Luxembourg Palace in Paris, representing the Glorification of French Sculpture. In 1882, he painted Vauban donnant des fortifications to Belfort, where the celebrated engineer is represented in Louis XIV costume reviewing maps and designs. While in the background laborers are building, he was honored with Commander of the Legion of Honor in 1907. In 1908, he was elected president of the Taylor Foundation, a position he held until the end of his life. He acquired a great reputation and is renowned for his historical compositions, portraits and genre scenes.